To set up eSIM in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on the network and internet right here, and then navigate to the SIM options right here. Next step is to click on Add SIM, and then you can set up eSIM on your phone as a brand new SIM, or you can also, there was an option that allowed you to transfer it from your previous device. Now I've chosen the brand new setup, and here we have option to scan the QR code using our camera. So you will need to grab your phone and then scan QR code on the carrier for your eSIM. Then there's option to scan it from the photo on your phone already. And you can also try these troubleshooting steps. You can enter those options and see if you can enter the code manually. Use SIM card instead if the eSIM doesn't work, or contact your carrier for help with activating eSIM as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.